Hey guys, this is Aishwarya welcoming you in the program In Access India. As you all know, this program is all about traveling to different cities and exploring its specialities. So today we are in Chittorgarh, Rajasthan to explore one of its universities, that is Mewar University. So let's get inside and know more about it. So as I have got to know that today Food Fest is going on in the university where students have to do fireless cooking. So let's have a look.
I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Gadia, Chancellor, Mewar University, Gangrar, Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. This institution came into existence on 21st September 2008. The USP of this university is serving to poorest of the poor section of society, serving to the rural youth of this country, not only this country but entire globe.
So now we are at the Department of Pharmacy. So let's get inside and know more about it. So here we are with Mr. Sachin Kumar, who is a final year student. So let's know from him.
Hi everyone. As we can see that this demo is of medicines, various type of medicines. This is for allopathy and that section is for herbal drugs. We are having various category, that is formulation, capsule, tablet, oral solution. The main motto is to show everyone that what it looks like in a pharmacy shop. You can see these are various tablets which are just arranged like a demo for a counter.
This is a farm for students. They are doing their agricultural activities, and in that program the students are doing work, every work related to agriculture, that is hoeing, weeding, sowing, threshing, harvesting, everything is done by the students.
So this is the optometric department, which is the part of paramedical department. So now we are in the Arts and Humanities section of the university, and this corridor is full of art and knowledge. So let's go and see it. Now if we have a look at my left side, so this is the Mewar Museum, and so let's get inside. As we can see here, this is full of Mewar knowledge, the ancient knowledge. And if we look at this structure, this is the Chittorgarh fort replica. This museum consists of ancient stamps, letters, and if we look this side, then here are the ancient coins. As we can see that there are many different things that are made out of waste materials.
My message to audience is that the biggest requirement of this world, or especially of our country, is that we should teach, train and place our youth and bring them into mainstream of our country. future plans are that I want to serve the poorest of the poor section of the society, and it should become a seat of the best teaching, best learning, best counseling and best placement. The placement ratio right now of our university is near about 80% students are being placed. 20% students are not taking the placement option because they want to go for higher studies or they want to do their own business.